back. As you guys can see, I kind of been working on the 57 since the previous video. Where I left off last time, I ratcheted this up and try to hold this in place. So it looked like, yeah, I have to cut off this area that they welded in. My blade is 1/16 thick, and as you can see right here is more. I'll show a close up here pretty soon. It's about a quarter. It's about a quarter of a gap. 1/8 to a quarter. Pretty close. Yep. Yeah. So it's pretty much of a quarter gap now. So that opened up quite so much, but I still need to ratchet it. When I say ratchets, because I am actually using a ratchet. One of these. That's all I got, so that's all I could work with. But I found this piece of stock laying around on my scrap bin. Real heavy duty, so definitely hold the stress of, the kind of shear or tension, whatever you want to call it. So when I ratchet this up, on the inside, I'm going to weld this, so that shouldn't move. But before that, what I do want to do is see why do I need to kind of, give it a ratchet? Why can't I just move it itself on its own, So somewhere down the line is holding, somewhere down the line, it's getting caught up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna loosen this, get everything what I did, and start from scratch, because somewhere down the line, it is still getting caught. So that's what I'm gonna see. So I don't know how good you guys can see from there, but this is the bar. Up right here. So that is gonna keep this way. Keep that way, welded real nice. Should be good. This here. But I do still wanna, adjust my door once I'm in there. Get to wear your gloves. Safety first. Safety first. pretty cool. The gap stayed the same. Obviously, I'm gonna make sure there's no distortion on the metal. Again, mind you, this is the way I'm doing it. So this is just kind of example, the way I'm doing it, just improvising of what I got in the garage. $34. So this is where I want it. Perfectly. It fits perfectly in here. So, this right here, just so you guys could kind of get the point. This right here is like 35 and a quarter, right? 35 and a quarter, which it fits perfectly in here, you know, to kind of hold it up. But I'm not gonna be welding it on this side, I'm gonna be welding in the back, so I can close and open my door. So now let's look, see what's my measurement down below. 44 and a half. That's 44 and a half. You can also see the significant movement that happened down here. The gap that I cut previously, real significant. I'm going to be doing cleaning this piece of sheet metal, cleaning it. So when I do weld, I'm cleaning on clean metal. So I guess the question for everybody is, am I affecting this gap? Let's check it out. 33 and 3/4. 33 and 3/4. Best thing to do is check the other side. That's what I'm going. 33 and 3/4. So the other side is 33 and 5/8. Here, other side. 33, 5/8. This side is 33 and 3/4. Yeah. 1/8, 1/8. Which it is a lot. So let me bring this back. Now look, without having any pressure, in it is 33